So be it.
So be it.
So be it.
So be it, Jedi.
If you don't want me to have children, so be it.
We want to keep the truth gagged? So be it.
I'm just here to catch a bad guy. If it goes down hard, so be it.
If this world must die, so that mine may live, so be it.
We will go through the mines.
So be it.
There is no stopping it. There is only the war.
So be it.
I'd rather be with Harry. Thanks. So be it.
You'll have to wait until all the other customers have gone.
So be it.
You'll be an outcast.
So be it.
If I have to, I will kill you. I will not stop now.
Nor will I.
So be it.
But are you truly prepared to be despised within the department?
Yes, sir, I am.
So be it.
I was once a brave tiger.
And if I go down in flames, so be it. But if I win, you're over. Let's do it. So be it.
He'll do what he wants, which is all he's ever done. You'll try your best to pick up the pieces.
That's my job, then. So be it.
He'll get what he came for. War and death.
So be it.
I need to speak with him.
Only way you're getting through this door is over my big dead ass.
So be it.